Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate-covered fruit. First, select your favorite fresh fruits, such as strawberries, banana slices, or grapes. Next, prepare your chocolate by melting it gently. Then, dip each piece of fruit into the melted chocolate, ensuring full coverage. Finally, let the excess chocolate drip off before placing the fruit on parchment paper to chill. This simple method creates delicious treats everyone will love. Proper fruit preparation is key for perfect chocolate-covered treats. Always choose ripe, firm fruits that are free of blemishes. Wash all your fruit thoroughly under cool water, then dry each piece completely. Any moisture will prevent the chocolate from adhering. For larger items, cut them into manageable, bite-sized pieces. You can also insert a skewer or toothpick into each piece to make dipping much easier. For the best results, use high-quality melting chocolate or chocolate chips. Melt your chocolate gently, either in a double boiler or in the microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring frequently to prevent burning. Once smooth, dip each fruit piece completely into the melted chocolate, ensuring it's fully coated. Gently tap the fruit against the side of the bowl to allow any excess chocolate to drip off, creating a smooth finish. After dipping, carefully place your chocolate-covered fruit onto a sheet of parchment paper. Transfer the tray to the refrigerator and chill for at least 15 minutes, or until the chocolate is completely set and firm. For an extra touch, you can drizzle a contrasting color of melted chocolate over the set fruit. Serve these delightful treats immediately, or store them in a cool, dry place for later enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.